How to remove pimples overnight. Get pimple treatment at home. Let's experience simple steps on face pack for pimples. A facial cleanser or face wash essentially removes makeup, dead skin cells, oil, dirt, and other pollutants from the skin, unclogging pores, and preventing skin conditions such as acne. Facial cleansers remove dirt and sebum, but without disturbing the skin's natural moisture barrier. So use the best face wash for acne which suits you most. Cleansing is important to your skin every night to remove makeup, impurities, dead skin cells, and excess oil. But in morning skin cleanser is also beneficial, as it removes any toxins the skin eliminates during the night and refreshes the skin, preparing it for makeup application. You should apply that best face wash for men and women as well. Now the next step is to make a face mask which you can apply as a night face cream. We all know the benefits of chandan tree for its medicinal properties. And the rose water has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness of irritated skin, get rid of acne, dermatitis and eczema. This simple face mask will help you in acne treatment and pimples. This sandalwood oil also widely used as a beauty ingredient in the form of perfume and soaps. It is also very helpful for wrinkles and acne-prone skin. Now apply this face mask or this homemade face cream in night and keep it overnight. This is a magical pimple treatment and a permanent pimple remover. Not only that, this is also acne scar removal by giving you a clear skin. Sandalwood and rose water is a permanent pimple solution. If you need to know on how to avoid pimples or how to reduce pimples, then this is the best remedy for your pimple cure. Now keep it overnight. In the morning, you will see that the pack is dried and whiten. This is the best face pack for pimples and is suitable for all type of skin. You can apply it every day and notice that it reducing the pimples on face day by day. Wash it off with cool water. Acne and pimples happen to be common skin problems faced by most people. A rose water and red sandalwood face pack helps in the reduction of acne and acne scars and also the irritation caused by acne due to its cooling properties. Sandalwood is primarily used for skin care and beauty purposes. It is very effective in reducing blemishes and treating acne. It also helps in the removal of suntan and dullness by giving you glowing skin. Rose water is so underrated. Apart from its use as a toner, most people do not realize the potential of this ingredient as a beauty ingredient. It balances your skin's pH levels and the antiseptic and antimicrobial properties makes it an efficient anti-acne ingredient. Not only helps kill off acne-causing bacteria, also helps heal your scars and clear out your skin. Unlike most topical treatments for acne, it is extremely gentle on your skin. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.